Done. Okay. Here you go. Hmm. Okay. We go here. Okay. See, my database is in, okay, not in begin backup mode. Done. We are good. Now, what we need to do, okay, see, using hard backup, we are able to take a backup. We are able to take a backup of database, and we are able to take a backup of table space as well. See, what we did, we took a full backup of the DB, full backup, okay, of the, yeah, full backup means nothing but DB backup only. Now, what we are doing, we are planning to take a table space backup. We are planning to take table space backup. See, now let me check at database level, what are the table spaces are there? Distinct table space from db underscore data underscore files. These many, okay, table spaces are there. Out of these many, I want to take a backup of this sb underscore table spaces. Okay, see, if I want to take that one, select table space underscore name, comma file underscore name from dba underscore data underscore files, where table space underscore name is equal to, okay, I'm giving this one. That means this is my table space, okay, and this is my data file related to that particular table space. Now, what we need to do, okay, exit from here, okay, create the directory structure in backup location, okay, like this. Hot backup, TBS, BKP, table space backup. Okay, let me go here. Okay, check. Okay, here. No files are there. Now, what you need to do, earlier when we are planning to take a database backup, what we did, we kept entire database in begin backup mode. Now I'm planning to take what which backup? I'm planning to take a backup of table space. No, that's what we need to do. You need to keep a table space only in begin backup mode. Alter table space name. Okay, begin backup. Now see, select file hash, comma status, okay, v dollar table space. Sorry, v dollar backup. See, earlier all files are in begin backup mode. Now see, why one file is in begin backup mode now? Why only one file is in begin backup mode?
Because we kept the HBA DBS table
Only
space.
we kept one particular table space is in begin backup mode, no? That's what. Now exit from here, give pwd, go to the data file location. This is our data file location. Okay, here you will have the data file. The data file name, call it as, okay, this is the one. This data file, I need to copy to this location, backup location. Backup is completed. Now connect to DB, okay, and take a backup of control file. Alter database, backup control file to the location. This is the location. I'm giving 1.ctl, done. Backup also done. Now see here, check how many files are there in begin backup mode. Okay, v dollar backup. See how many files are there in begin backup mode? One, no? Now,
One.
okay, what I kept in begin backup mode, only one table space, no? That one I need to end. Okay, alter table space name, SBI underscore TBS, okay, end backup. I kept that particular table spaces in offline. Sorry, not offline, end backup mode. See, now all are in, okay, uh, not in begin backup mode. No? This is how we'll take one particular table space hot backup. This is how we'll take one particular table space hot backup. Suppose just I'm repeating one more time. Okay, just quick lines. Okay, I'm checking. What are the table spaces are there in the DB? These many table spaces are there. Now just check. Okay, I want to take a backup of this particular table space. That table space name is okay dba underscore data underscore files where table space underscore name is equal to okay. I'm planning to take a backup of this particular table space. Okay, yeah. Now or just do one thing. Let me take this one. Okay, here for this table space, how many data files are there? Only one. Only one. Now what I will do? Okay, this but okay, I will do one log switch, alter system switch log file. Done. Once this switch is done, what you need to do? You need to keep table spaces in begin backup mode. Alter, or if you want exit from here, exit from here. Okay, okay. If you want to take a backup, you can here you can take a, or if you want to create new one, you can create new one here. Hot bkp. Okay, table space backup. Okay, to here, I'm planning to take a backup. Okay, now connected to DB as DBA. Once that is done, alter table space name. Okay, begin backup. I kept this particular table spaces in begin backup mode. Once that is done, select okay file hash comma status from $backup. See here it is telling this particular table space data file is in begin backup mode. Now what we are doing, exit from here, go to that particular data file location. Okay, go to that particular data file location. Okay, where it is there. Okay, it is there here. Okay, now copy that particular data file. Okay, what is the data file name? IRCTC underscore TBS01. That particular data file to backup location. That's the backup location where we are planning to copy. Okay, done. Once this is done, okay, connected to SQL Plus. Okay, now, okay, take the backup of control file. Alter database backup control file, backup control file to location. This is the location. The backup control file name, you can keep it anything. Okay, you no need to keep only one or two or any whatever you wish, you just keep that. See, one file is in active mode. You need to keep that and backup. Alter table space name. That's the one. Okay, and backup. That like this, you can take a backup of particular table space. You can take a backup of one particular table space. Okay, able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yesterday I given one question. No? Did anyone did the googling or did anyone checked about that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you need to send to me. No. Okay, you can send me. Okay, you can send me what you learned. Okay, you written on something, right? Notes you written somewhere. No, that one you just send me that. Hmm? Okay.
Okay.
Next one. Yesterday I told okay one more question will be there in hard backup that they will ask you like that. I told. Okay, what is that? Okay, now my database is in begin backup mode. 1 minute. Okay, do one thing. Take 10 minutes break. Seems they are not able to go now. Take a 10 minutes break. Sound you are able to hear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, take a break, 10 minutes. able to hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Oh, Ravi, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm there.
Okay, done. Okay, now here I go. Okay, what we are doing? I told, okay, yesterday I given one question. That is like, okay, suppose, okay, when we keep the database big and backup more, why archives are generating more or huge? That is the one I given. Today, okay, next question is, okay, when database is in big and backup mode, the server got rebooted. How you will resolve the issue? See here. Now let me see. Now database is in begin backup mode or not? No, no. The
No,
database
sir.
is not in begin backup mode. Now let me keep the databases in begin backup mode. Begin backup. Okay, date. Like I said, my database is in begin backup mode. See, all data files which are related to database is in active. That means the database is in begin backup mode. Meanwhile, what happened? Okay, my server got rebooted. Someone, okay, it's not intentional reboot. Someone got rebooted. What they did it no? Okay, they rebooted the server. If you want to reboot, init6 is the command. Okay, init6 is the command. Server is restarting it. Your server is restarting 2 minutes. Mhm. Before restarting the server, what is my database status? It is up and running, and the database is in begin backup mode. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me go here. Okay, the server is starting it. Just a moment. Just a moment. Okay, I'm going to log in as Oracle user. Supplied the password of Oracle. Then once that is done, okay, what I am doing, okay, I'm checking here why it is not connected. Just I'm connecting the wire. Okay, IP you just see. Same IP no 192.158.168.56.108. Okay. Now go here. Just click on close. Same IP. I'm restarting the session. Oracle. Enter. Done. Before restarting, what is the state of the DB? Up and running. But now see here, database is not running.
Yes.
Okay. If you want to start the database, okay, first what I need to do, I need to set the environmental variable. I set it. Okay. Now just see here. Okay. /sysdba. Can I do startup? See here. Startup. When I'm doing startup, right? Okay. It is, let's check whether it is able to start or not able to start. See, it is mounted. And after mounting, what it is telling you? After mounting, what it is telling you?
Pura 10873, file 1 need to be either taken out of backup mode or media.
What it is telling you, that particular file, it was there in the begin backup mode. That's what you are not able to start the DB. Okay, you are not able to start the DB. Now what you need to do? Select name, comma, open underscore mode, comma, log underscore mode from v dollar database. What it is showing me, database until mounted, it is started now. Until mounted, it is started, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. But I am unable to open because of this errors. I'm unable to open because of that errors. What it is telling you, file 1 needs to be either taken out of the backup mode or media recovery. Okay. Or media recovery. Or here you can see, okay, file 1. Okay. Something it is telling. Okay. File 1, it is not there, like that it is telling. Right. Now, what we need to do it here first. Okay. Check the status of database, whether it is in begin backup mode or not. Able to see the database is in which state now?
Active.
Begin.
Begin backup mode. Okay. It is in begin backup. Now what we need to do, alter database and backup. You need to keep the databases in end backup mode in a mount. Okay. Now just check the database status. It was mounted, arclog is on. Now we just see what is the file status. All files are in begin backup mode or not? Able to see? Okay, all files are in end backup mode now. Once you kept the databases in end backup mode, now just see alter database open. Earlier until mount, I'm able to open, right? Now I'm able to open or not? Yes. Okay.
Yes.
I'm able to open the DB now. I'm able to open the DB now. This is how we'll, okay, recover the database when the database was not in, when database is in begin backup mode. See, there's an interview question. When database is in begin backup mode, if server got rebooted, how you will recover means, okay, this is the way we can do it. How? How is simple. Okay, first, before starting the database or start the database until mount. Once it is mounted, just check the status of the file. Select name, comma, okay, file hash, comma, status from v dollar backup. Okay, when we see there the files are inactive, then you just stop database in end backup mode, or that means you just keep the database in end backup mode and start the DB in open state. Start the DB in open state. That's how we will start the DB. That's how we'll start the DB. Okay, any questions here?
No.
This is the important interview question. Okay, number of times I'm telling, don't mind it. Okay, the problem is here. Okay, they will ask you in an interview. They will ask you in interview. Okay. Any questions here? Do let me know. If no questions, we'll go further. Okay. See, in hard backup, what and all we learned. Okay. How to take a full DB backup using hard backup. How to take table space backup using hard backup. These two we checked it. These two we worked. And apart from that, what we learned, okay, when database is in begin backup mode, when database is in begin backup mode, if server got rebooted, how to resolve that issue? How to resolve that issue? Then that one also we saw. Now we'll see hard backup restorations and recoveries. I told no, see, every time if everything is good, okay, we'll care about God, will not care about anyone, will not care about anyone, right? That's what, okay, in database also, sometimes some files will be deleted, okay, some files will be deleted. Then how we need to resolve it, how to restore it or recover it, that you need to know. If you know that, that means you are a good DBA. If you don't know that, then it will be the problem. If you don't that, then that will be the problem. Okay. Yeah. Any questions here? Do let me know so far. Today, okay, just we saw how to take a table space backup using hard backup, and we saw second one, when database is in begin backup mode, if server got rebooted, how to resolve it. That one we saw. Okay. Any questions here? Do let me know. Till now, any questions are there? Do let me know.
No, sir.
Okay. Now what we can see, we'll see, okay, how to do the restorations and recoveries. Before that, you need one consistent backup, or you need one good backup. Okay. For that, what I am doing, I will take one full DB backup. Okay. By cleaning up. First, what I will do, old backups I will clean up. Whatever old backups are there, no, that old backups I will clean up. Okay. These and all not needed for me now. Since those are old, these are not needed. This one also not needed for me. UPWD, LSF and LRTH. Now create a okay directory here. Hard backup and today date I'm giving 04/05/2026. Go inside here. Done. No files are there here. Now connected to DB. Okay. If I want to take a hard backup of the DB must be run in archlog mode. It is there. Now select name comma open underscore mode comma log underscore mode from v dollar database. This is also running. Okay. The database is in open state and the database log mode is okay open. That means archlog mode. It is in archlog mode. Now what we are planning to do, we are planning to take a hard backup of the database. To take that one, select okay file underscore name from db underscore data underscore files. Done. Next one, select name from v dollar control file. There's a location control files are there. Now just check a db was in which state. Select file hash comma status from v dollar backup. What is showing you? The database not in begin backup mode. The database not in begin backup mode. Now what we need to do? Okay, yeah, we need to take a keep the database in begin backup mode. Before that, I will do one log switch. Alter system switch log file. Done. Alter database begin backup. I kept the databases in begin backup mode. Now see, the database is in begin backup mode now. Good. Now exit from here, give pwd. To here, I am planning to take a backup. What and all I am planning to take a backup? Let's go to data files location. Star, this files you just copy. Okay, files backup is going on. Okay, done. Now, once files are copied or backed up, now what we need to do? We need to take a backup of control file. Alter database, backup a control file, to, okay, this location. Done. Now just check the status of the files. Select the file hash, comma status from v dollar backup. Now see, alter database and backup. Now the DB was in end backup now. Now the database is in end backup mode, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This is how we'll take a full backup of the database, right? Okay. Now, I had some questions before proceeding it. Okay, not questions. I will tell you some this one. In a database, there are two types of files are there. One is non-system files. Second one is system files. Non-system files means what we created, right? Okay, what we created, IRCTC, SBA, like that we created, no? That will call it as non-system files. That will call it as non-system file. System files means along with the database creation, we got right. That will call it as, okay, system files. That will call it as system files. Okay, system files, what and all will be there? System 01.dbf and sysox 01.dbf. Like this, we have a files. Okay, except this, whatever it is there, those and all, okay, non-system files. But along here, you will have some more system files now. What are those? Undo tbs 01.dbf and temp 01.dbf. These two are also system files. But the problem is here, in this one, do we have all the data when it will be there? In undo and temp, when the data will be there?
When transactions are
when transactions are happening, that time only it will be there. That means if transactions are not happening, is this table spaces are useful for us?
no.
We will not use. You will not use. But in temp, what the data will be there? In temp, sorting
Temporary.
related data, no?
Yes, sir. Temporary.
Okay. And in undo,
In undo
pre-image data. Very good.
data.
Pre-image data will be there, right? Okay.
Yes.
So these all are okay. We will not do the restoration recoveries. We may go for system or sysax. That's it. But undo, whenever you do transaction, that time only data will be there. In temp, whenever you do transactions, once a transaction is done, it will complete our, it will clean up our undo table space, no?
Yes, sir.
Right? Like that. And in non-system table spaces, whatever we created, everything will call it as non-system. 1 minute. Right. Okay. Yeah. Now, how to do the restorations and recoveries? That is matter. Okay. How to do the restorations and recoveries? How we are doing it? Okay. As a DBA, how we are doing the restorations and recoveries? Okay. That it will be important. Okay. 1 minute. Let me copy the file. Okay. I updated what is the system files, what are the non-system files. Suppose, gore, Devanshi, go. I'm okay. See, if we lost the non-system files, how to do the recovery, we'll say. Okay. Non-system file means, as per us, okay, what is that non-system file? Except sys and sysox table space. Whatever it is there, those are non-system only, no? Okay, let's see here. Okay, select a file name from db underscore data underscore files. Here you go. Okay, here these two are system files. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And remaining all, okay, remaining all except undo and temp. Remaining all on non-system data files only, no? Suppose
Yes.
if we lost this non-system file, how to do the recovery? That is what we are planning to know now. If we miss this one, how to do the recovery? That one we are planning to learn. Okay. See, someone what happened? No. Okay. Someone what they did it, they removed this file. Accidentally. Instead of removing one thing, he removed this. Okay. Now rm-rf, this file name. File was gone, no? File was removed. If you see that file, is there that file? That file is presented or not? That file is presented or not?
No, sir.
No. That file is not there, right? Now,
Yes.
how to do the recovery? That is matter. How to do the recovery? That is matter. Okay. Let's see. This file is there in the our backup location, right? Is that correct?
Yes.
This file is there in our backup location, no? Okay, let me do one thing. Okay, let me keep this one as a white color. Here, are we able to see this file? Able to
Yes.
see that one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. Before that, now the file was gone, no? How come I know the file is gone? Array, okay. How come we know that? Okay, now see here. If I go with this one, not here. And file name you just keep. What is this file is showing now?
Available.
But it is available. Now it is available.
Yes.
It is showing an available, but in OS location it is there. It's not there.
It's not
Now
there.
what you need to do? You need to keep this data file in offline. Alter database data file offline. See, if I keep the data file in offline, what is the status it has to show? Offline or something else? If you
Offline.
remember, at the table space management, we kept the data file in offline mode. That time we saw the status like offline.
Rename. Yes. Sir.
Now see what it is the status of a file it is showing you.
Recover.
Recover. Okay, let me do one thing. What is the status of file it is showing you? Same file status. Earlier, what it is showing us?
Online.
Online. But when I keep the data file in offline, it is showing that one as a recover mode, no?
Yes.
Normally it has to show like offline, right? But it is showing different one, no? Now, what we need to do? Okay, what we need to do means a simple one. Okay, go here, exit from here. Okay, this is our location, no? Okay, now you need to copy. This file from. Okay, see in which location I was there now?
Hot backup location.
Right.
Backup
This is
location.
a backup location, no?
Yes.
Okay. Now see, copy cp-rf. To where I need to copy? I need to copy to this location. Okay. Copying this file from backup location to original location, we'll call it as a restoration. Copying this file from backup location to original location, we'll call it as a what?
Restoration.
Restoration. Now see, I'm going to restore the file. Okay. Restoration is done. Restoration is done. See, what is the file size here in backup location?
SBI underscore TPS 01.
501 MB, right? Okay, give PWD and just check SBI. Okay, what is the status? What is the size of this file?
501.
So both are same, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So restoration is done properly, right? Restoration is done properly,
If
no?
you copy file, it will automatically pick that file for the correspondent database.
Sorry?
We copied file into destination, right, sir? Any other commands we need to run, or automatically it will be taken by database?
No, automatically it will take.
Okay.
Okay. Now see what happened, no? I copied first what I did while taking hard backup. What I did I copied the files to backup location. No? From backup, I am copying to original location. That's it.
Yes.
Nothing other than that.
Yes.
Okay, nothing other than that. From backup, I copied the files to this location. See, copying the file from backup location to original location will called as a restoration. Will called as restoration. Okay. Now restoration is done. Next, what we need to do? Recovery. Restoration is done. Now, what we need to do? We need to do the recovery. Okay. Now, what we need to do? Recover. What we are planning to do? Recover data file now. That data file location, that data file name. See what it is telling you.
Media
Media
recovery.
recovery completed. That means, okay, your restoration, recovery is completed successfully. Now just check the status of the file. Before that, what is the status here?
Recover.
Recover. Now see what it is showing you. From
Offline.
recover, it changed it to offline now. Let me set the alignment so that you will see proper. See, earlier the status here is recover. Now see the status, what it is showing you. What it is showing us now?
Offline.
Offline. Now, if I'm able to make online this table data file, that means restoration is done successfully. See, alter, database, data file name and data file path. Okay, online. I'm able to do it, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now just check the status of the data file now. It is in online,
Yes.
right? We are good now.
Yes.
Questions here? Any questions here? Okay. If any questions, please do let me know. If no questions, okay, I will do one time revision. Okay. Then later we'll go further.
Okay.
Okay. Let me take a duplicate session. Okay. Now I will go with a different file. Okay. Every time same file means it will be bore now. Okay. That's what. Let's check what we are going to do. Okay. I'm going to check where is my, okay, all data files are there by using db underscore data underscore files. Now I'm selecting this file, Amazon TVS, or let me select a IRCTC file. Okay. I'm going to that location. Okay. See, in real time, you will not remove this manually. You will not do restorations. If something happened anytime, that time you need to do that setup. It's not like, okay, you will take intentionally, you will remove it and will, okay, recover it. See here, I removed that file. Now, when I check the file status, what it is showing you? It is showing that file is not there. Now, okay, connected to SQL plus /sysdba. Okay. Now check the state of this particular file. Okay. Check the state of this particular file. See what it is showing us. Okay. Let me do one thing. Call. Okay. What is the file status it is showing? Online. But file is not there, no. But still it is showing online. That's what I am doing here. Alter database, data file data file path and data file name .dbf offline. Now check the same status one more time. What it will show you? It is showing recover. It is showing recover. Now, okay, the file got gone. The file was gone. Okay. Now what we will do, we'll go to this backup location. Here we'll see that file is located or not. File is there or not there. See here. Here are we able to see file? In a backup location, we are able to see file
Yes.
now.
Yes, sir.
This
sir.
file will copy from backup location to original location. This is our original location, right? Copy to there. Original location where we missed the file. Okay, now here you go. Copy is going on. Okay, copy is done. Here, what is the size of this particular file? 501 MB. Okay, here you go. Here also exit from here. Exit from here. Check that IRCTC file. What is the size of it? 501 MB. Now connected to SQL plus /s STPA. Okay, recover. What I'm recovering it? Data file, no? Data file path. Do that. Media recovery is done. Now check the status of that file. It is showing offline. Okay, keep the data file in online. Alter database data file online. Now check the status of the file. Able to see the table, data file came online. Able to
Yes.
see the data file came online.
Yes.
This is how we'll do the non-system files recovery. This is how we'll do the non-system file recovery. Any doubts or questions here? Do let me know. Any doubts or questions here? Do let me know.
So if all we are checking only table file is missing. Table
Only
space,
one data file.
one data
There
file.
are scenarios will be there. Okay. First, I will go with non-system file, one only. Next, I will go with system file. One system file gone, how to recover it. Next, I will
Yes.
remove everything and I will restore it.
Okay, sir.
Like that. Okay. It's a,
Okay.
suppose if I go at a shot all, okay, then you may have some doubts. That's what I'm splitting that one. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Complexities as a simple. Okay. And we will learn it like that. Okay. Yeah. Any questions here? Now we learned, okay, how to do the recovery of non-system file, right? Okay. So, okay. Any questions?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Done. Now here you go. Okay. Now we learned about how to, okay, recover the data file, system data file when it is gone. Okay. Let me prepare the document for you guys. Just let me just 2 minutes. It will not take much time. Okay. See, backup location means where you copied. Sorry. Uh, 1 minute. Okay. Let's do one thing. One minute. Above one is syntax. Now, like this, let me keep. Or if you know data file number, you just give the data file number. Just I'm giving 8 as a data file number. Okay, you need to type it here, or you need to go with the number or anything, one only. It's not both. Okay. Okay, done. Okay. Now we'll see, okay, what we need to do when system files are gone. As per as system files means system01.dbf or sysoc01.dbf. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. It may be system101.dbf or sysoc01.dbf. Let's go here. Okay. And go to here. Let's see. Okay. These all are the files are there. These all are the files are there in our our database environment. Okay. These two are for us system files. System01.dbf or sysoc01.dbf. These two are our files. Now exit from here. Okay. Here you can see you are able to see the system01.dbf, sysoc01.dbf. Now I will remove sysoc01.dbf. I removed it. Okay. Now check that file is there or not there here. Now file is there. File is there. No,
No, sir.
file is not there. Now what we can do? Okay. Okay. Shut down the database using shutdown abort. Shut down the database using shutdown abort. See, when something happened to your system and sysoc data files, you need to shut down the DB using shutdown abort. Using shutdown abort. Okay. Now here you go. I'm shutting down the DB using shutdown abort. Okay, done. Now what we need to do? Once you shut down the DB using shutdown abort. Okay, see here. Here sysoc01.dbf file is not there, no? Now go to backup location. Go to backup location. Give LSF and LRT. Here, are we able to see sysoc01.dbf? Able to see that file?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, can I copy this file to this location? This process, what we'll call it as? This process will called as restoration. Now, data file restoration is happening. Okay. Now data file restoration is happening. Once the data file is restored, now see data file got restored now. Now data file got restored. Okay. If you see, backup location, the size is this much. Go to our original location. There you can check it. Size of sysoc table space. No, 661 MB only. No, both sides same, right? Done. Once restoration is done, okay, start the databases and mount state. Here you go. Once the restoration is done, once restoration is done, okay, start the databases in mount. Here you go. Start the databases in mount. Once the database is started mount, okay, you need to recover particular data file. You need to recover particular data file which got restored, sorry, deleted. Recover data file. See, now select name comma open underscore mode log underscore mode from v dollar database. See now recover data file. data file path, data file name. Recovery is done. Now, see, in which state we did that system recovery file restoration? In which
Mount
state?
state.
It isn't, we did it in mount, no? Okay. Once this is done, we need to open the database. Alter database open. Alter database open. See, the database got opened now. Now, check the state of the database. Okay, open. Now see, select name, comma, open underscore mode, comma, log underscore mode from v dollar database. See, the database is in open state now.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
This is how we'll do the system file recovery. If any one of the system file like sysox or sysox or system, if gone, this is how we'll do the recovery. Able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Let me repeat this task one more time. Okay. We'll go for the other one later. Okay. Now see here. Okay. I'm checking how many. I'm checking. Okay. Wherever our files are there. db underscore data underscore files. Okay. Exit from here. Reconnect once. My data files are here now. Right. Okay. Here, what I'm doing, I'm going to remove my system01.dbf. What is the size of this one? That file, I'm removing it. Done. Now just check that file is there or not there. No such a file or directory. Once, when you come to know that if something happened to your system files, system01.dbf or sysox01.dbf, you need to shut down the DB using abort. You need to shut down the DB using abort. Once that is done, okay, go to our data files location, check which file got deleted. Which file got deleted? Sysox is there, system is there, system01.dbf file is there.
Not
No, sir.
It's not there, right? Okay. Now, what we need to do? Go to backup location. Go to backup location. In a backup location, just check system01.dbf is there or not there. Here you can see. Are we able to see that file? Are we able to see that file? Yes. Yes. Now,
Yes, sir.
copy this system01.dbf file to the location where the data file is existed. Now see here, the backup is going on. The backup is it is running. Backup, it is running. Okay, backup completed. This will call it as a restoration. This will call it as a restoration. Copying the file from backup location to original location, we'll call it as a restoration. Once the restoration is done, okay, in a backup location, what is the size of that file? See, what is the size of that file?
911 MB.
MB, right? 911 MB. Now go to here and just check what is the size of file that file. Able to see?
Yes, sir.
When I did the restoration, when DB is in mount or when DB is up and running, or when DB was in down. When DB was down, I did okay, restoration, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ah. Once that is done, okay, what you need to do, okay, startup, mount, startup, mount. Okay, now just check select name, comma, open underscore more, comma, log underscore more from v dollar database. Database in which state now?
Mounted.
Recover data file. Which data file we need to recover now? Which was deleted? That it is in there in this location, and the deleted file name is this one. Okay, I missed the single code. See here, I made the single code. Okay, recovery is done. Now state of the DB is what? Mount. Now I'm opening the database. Alter database open. Alter database open. Now check the status now. Able to see the database came to read write?
Yes, sir.
It is in RK log mode now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any questions here? Do let me know.
No, sir.
Okay. First, what we did. Okay. We learned about. Okay. Let me write it somewhere here. Okay. Yeah. First, what we learned. Okay. We learned about. Okay. If non-system data file is deleted or dropped, how to do the restoration and the recovery, that we learned. Next one, what we learned, if system file is deleted, system data file is deleted, how to do the restoration and recovery, we learned. Now next we'll do fifth one. Okay, if okay, non-system and system files, okay, that means all, no, if all data files are deleted or dropped or corrupted, how to do the restoration and recovery, we'll see now. Okay, any questions in a first two, non-system and system files? No. Okay, done.
No, sir.
Okay, done. Okay, let me go to here. Okay, I will proceed with I will delete all files now. See, in real time, one more time I'm telling you, you will not delete. If anyone deleted accidentally, or if any corruptions are there, we'll do restoration and recovery. That's it. Okay. Now see, the database status up and running now. It is in RKlog mode. Now I'm checking here. Select a file name from dba underscore data underscore files. Okay. Reconnect the db once. Done. These many data files are there. Let me go to give PWD. Okay, give LSF and LRT. Okay. Yeah, these many files are there. I'm removing everything. I removed all the data files. That means here you will have the system and non-system both are together, no? System and non-system both are together. It is there, no?
Yes, sir.
When
Yes.
when non-system and system files are deleted. When non-system and system files are deleted, how to do restoration and recovery? Again, you need to shut down the DB. Once shut down the DB, go to backup location, copy the all files to original location. That will call it as a what? Restoration, no? Once restoration is done, start the databases and mount. Next, recover the database. Earlier, we used to recover only one data file. Now I am recovering entire database. Why? All files are gone, no?
Yes,
That's
sir.
what I'm doing. Recover the database. Once the recovery is done, you need to open the database. Okay. Now go here. Okay. All files are deleted. Okay. I'm connecting to DB. Okay. Just give shutterBot. Just give shutterBot. Once the DB was shutterBot, exit from here. Okay. Give PWD. Go to backup location. There's our backup location. Here, whatever files are there, no, all files, .dbf files, you can copy to this location. Okay, I'm copying, I'm doing the restoration now. Copying the files from backup location to original location. We'll call it as a what?
Restoration.
Restoration. Now, restoration is in progress. Once the restoration is done, I will start my database as in mount. In a mount state, I will recover the database. In a mount state, I will recover the database. Okay. Now here you go. I'm going back. I'm going back. See here, all files are copied here now. Right? Now, select say SQL plus slash SSDBA. Now, startup mount. I'm starting my DB in mount state. Okay. I started my DB in mount state. Once this is mounted, okay, what you need to do, okay, you need to recover the database. Recover database. Done. Once recovery is done, check the status of the DB. Select name, comma, open underscore mode, comma, log underscore mode from v dollar database. Done. Now just open the DB now. Alter database open. Able to start the DB now? Now check the state of the DB now. Able to see the database is coming up, came up. Any questions here? How to do recover when we launch the system and non-system files? Any questions here?
No.
Okay, I will show you one more time. Okay, yeah, here you go. Select, okay, exit from here once.
Sir, what is
Go
difference?
ahead.
So process is almost the same now.
Almost same. That's it, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, almost same. But see, when system file gone, I was not shut down the, sorry, when non-system file gone, I was not shut down the DB, no?
Yes.
But when system file gone, I shut down the DB using shutdown abort and I did the restoration and recovery, no?
Yes.
That is the
Sir.
only difference. Remaining everything is same.
So in real time scenario, how can we find which file is missing? Or any alerts will come, or like
Okay,
the
see,
database
when
won't.
file is gone, you are not, you are able to see in a alert log file, okay, so and so particular file is gone. That is a one way. Second way, when file is gone, from that file, application will read the data, no?
Yes.
That data, now they are not able to read it. That means what happened?
File is missing.
That's it, no? Those two are the only scenarios. Remaining, we don't have anything.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's see here. Select file underscore name from db underscore data underscore files. Okay. I will go to my data files location. Okay. I will remove all files. I removed everything. Now I come to know that this one gone. The DB was gone. Then what we need to do? We need to shut down the DB using shutdown abort. Using shutdown abort. Once the DB was shut down, okay, what we will do? We'll go to backup location. Here you go. There's my backup location. Here you are able to see all the files now. All this, okay, DBF files. I will copy to backup location. From backup location to I'm copying to original location. This process will call it as. This process will call it as
Restoration.
correct. Restoration. Once the restoration is done, okay, yeah, restoration is done. Now go here and see all files are copied or not. Yes. Now connect as a SDVA startup mount. Spelling mistake. Startup mount. Done. Now here you need to do the recover the database. Recover database. That's it. See, just give auto. Done. Now alter database. Alter database open. Okay. Now see, select name comma open underscore more comma log underscore more from $v database. Database was started now. Now we know if my okay non-system file is gone, non-system data file is gone, how to do the recovery? If system file is gone, how to do recovery? If both are gone, how to do the restoration recovery? We know. Any questions here till now?
No, sir.
Okay. If no questions,